Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong 13 tiles. Mahjong is a classic game for 4 players, combining skill and strategy. Your primary goal is to form 4 sets and 1 pair from a hand of 13 tiles. Tiles are divided into 3 main categories: suits, honors, and bonus tiles. Understanding these fundamental elements is your first step to mastering this engaging game. Let's delve into the tiles. Suit tiles, such as bamboos, characters, and dots, are numbered 1 through 9 with 4 copies of each. Honor tiles are crucial, comprising the 3 dragons, red, green, and white, and the 4 winds, east, south, west, and north. Additionally, there are bonus tiles like flowers and seasons, which offer points but do not form sets in your hand. To build a winning hand, you need to understand sets. A pung is 3 identical tiles, for example, 3 red dragons. A chow is a sequence of 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit, like the 3, 4, and 5 of bamboos. A kong is 4 identical tiles, essentially a pung with an extra matching tile. Finally, a pair consists of 2 identical tiles, completing your hand. The ultimate goal is to declare Mahjong. This means you have successfully assembled 4 sets and 1 pair, making a total of 14 tiles. Throughout the game, players take turns drawing a tile and then discarding one, strategically working towards their winning hand. The first player to achieve this specific combination and declare Mahjong wins the round. Good luck with your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.